Do you want to know how you can sign up for 10bet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can join or sign up for 10bet. Go ahead and open 10bet.co.uk and click on join, which you can see on the top right hand side. After you click on join, you can see that this login portal will open up. Wait for a while and you can see there are 3 steps. So the first step is to identify your gender. Go ahead and identify your gender over here. Then the next step is to write down your name, which is your first name and your last name. Then you can choose your date of birth. Make sure you choose your correct date of birth, because if you are under 18 you cannot access this site. So go ahead and select your date of birth, click next, and write down your country name over here and your phone number in this box over here. After you write down your phone number, make sure you choose your location. So choose your location over here and you can see it will automatically be detected, and go ahead and click next. The next thing is to write down your email address in this box. Go ahead and write down your email address and set a password for your account. After you set your password, make sure to look at it and make sure it is secure. Go ahead and click on send me promotions, free bets and bonus offers if you want some mails from 10bet, or else just go ahead and click accept and register. It says 10 seconds and you're good to go. Just a quick check on your information you've provided. So 10bet is accessing your information, and there you go. This is how you create a 10bet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.